Hello students, today I will start chapter number 11 of your reasoning book. Let's see the question number 1. How many such fives are there in the following sequence numbers, each of which is immediately preceded by 3 or 4 but not immediately followed by 8 or 9? मीन्स हमें ऐसे 5 देखने हैं जिनके जस्ट पहले 3 एंड 4 होना चाहिए बट उनके बाद में 8 और 9 नहीं होना चाहिए. Let's see here. You can see this 5 is here. Before the 5 you can see 3 is here, but after the 5 you can see 9 is here, but we can't take after the 5 9, so this will be wrong. See that this 5, before the 5 you can see 9 is here, and after the 5 you can see 4 is here, but according to the question told you preceded by 3 or 4. That means 5 से पहले 3 or 4 होना चाहिए. That means this will be also wrong. Let's see this one, this 5. Before the 5 you can see 4 is here, and after the 5 is here, so we can take this 5. Let's see next one. Before the 5 3 is here, and after the 5 you can see 8 is here, so we can't take this one. Let's see this 5. Before the 5 4 is here, and after the 5 6 is here, so we can take this 5 also. Let's see the next part. Before the 5 you can see 3 is here, and after the 5 you can see 7 is here, so we can take this one also. Before you can see before the 5 7 is here, so we can't take this one. Before the 5 is here, so we can't take this one also. You can see this 5. Before the 5 4 is here, and after the 5 2 is here, so we can take this 5 also. Now let's see the next 5. You can see before the 5 3 is here, and after the 5 1 is here, so we can take this one also. So let's count the 5s. 1 2 3 4 and 5 5s are there. So which option is right? D option. That means 5 option. Let's see the next question. That is, in the series given below, how many 8s are there in each of the which is exactly divisible by its immediate preceding as well as succeeding number? मीन्स हमें ऐसे 8s को पिक करना है केवल जिनके पहले डिजिट और बाद के डिजिट दोनों डिविजिबल होने चाहिए. लेट्स सी. You can see this 8. Before the 8 2 is here, and after the 8 3 is here. 8 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3, so we can't take this 8. Let's see this one. Before the 8 3 is here, and after the 8 2 is here, so 8 is not divisible by 3, so we can't take this one also. You can see this one. Before the 8 4 is here, and after the 8 2 is here, so we can see here 8 is divisible by both digits, so we can take this one. Let's see the next 8. Before the 8 4 is here, and after the 8 6 is here, but you can see students 8 is not divisible by 6, so we can't take this one. Similarly we can't take this 8 also. Now we can take this one. Before the 8 you can see 2 is here, and after 8 also 2 is here, and 8 is divisible by 2, so we can't take, we can take this 8 also, so this will be right option. Next 8 is here. After the 8 you can see 3 is here, so we can't take this one also. After before the 8 you can see 3 is here, so we can't take this also, and after the 8 you can see 6 is here, so we can't take this also. So only 2 8s are there which is exactly divisible by its immediate preceding and as well as succeeding numbers. So which option will be right? C option, that is 2. Let's see the next question, students. How many 7s immediately preceded by 6? मतलब हमको 7 को पिक करना है जिनके जस्ट पहले 6 होना चाहिए बट नॉट इमिडिएटली फॉलोड बाई 4, बट उनके जस्ट बाद में 4 नहीं होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यहाँ पे देखिए 7 है, 7 से पहले कोई डिजिट नहीं है, सो वी कांट टेक दिस 7. देखिए यहाँ पे 7 है, उससे जस्ट पहले इमिडिएटली प्रेसिडेड बाई 6, यानी कि उससे पहले 6 होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे क्या है 2, सो वी कांट टेक दिस वन. नाउ पिक दिस वन. जस्ट पहले देखिए 6 है और जस्ट बाद में क्या है 5, और क्या नहीं होना चाहिए 4 नहीं होना चाहिए, सो वी कैन टेक दिस वन. Let's see the next 7. Before the 7 you can see 5 is here, so we can't take this one. Before the 7 you can see 3 is here, so we can't take this 7. And before the 7 you can see 6 is here, so we can take this 7 also. And after the 7 you can see 2 is here, so we can take this 7. Next one, before the 7 you can see 6 is here, and after the 7 you can see 4 is here, so we can't take this 7 also. So which option will be right? According to this, only two 7s are there. B option will be right for this question. Let's see the next question. How many 6 are there in the following number series, each of which is immediately preceded by 1? हमें 6 को देखना है जिनके जस्ट पहले 1 होना चाहिए और 5 होना चाहिए, और उनके जस्ट बाद में 3 और 9 भी होना चाहिए। ऐसे हमें 6 को देखना है जिनके जस्ट पहले का नंबर 1 और 5 हो, और आफ्टर द नंबर 3 और 9 होना चाहिए। देखिए यहाँ से पहले 1 नहीं है, सो वी कांट टेक दिस 6। देखिए 6 से पहले 1 एंड 5 है, बट आफ्टर द 6 4 इज गिवन, सो वी कांट टेक दिस 1। देखिए यहाँ से पहले 6 गिवन है, 6 से पहले 1 और 5 नहीं है, सो वी कांट टेक दिस 1 आल्सो। देखिए ये 6 से पहले क्या है 1, और 6 के बाद में क्या है 3, तो ये हमारे क्वेश्चन को सेटिस्फाई करती है। दैट मीन्स वी कैन टेक दिस 6। नेक्स्ट वन, you can see 6 is here, before the 6 5 is here, and after the 6 9 is here, so we can take this also. Let's see the next 6. You can see before the 6 1 is here, and after the 6 5 is here, so we can't take this one also. Let's see this one. Before the 6 9 is here, and after the 6 7 is here, so we can't take this one also. See the last 6. Before the 6 1 is here, and after the 6 3 is here, so we can take this 6 also. So how many 6 are there? 3. So which option will be right? Option number D, that means 3. Student, let's see the next questions. This is the question. ABC A, then fill up is there. BC AAB, then again fill up is there. CA, then fill up is there. Then BBC fill up is there. Students, you have to fill these alphabets according to the options. Student, there are 4 options given in this question. You have to put these options firstly instead of these fill ups. That means A option, CCAA. So firstly you have to put C, here you have to put C, here you have to put A, and here you have to put A. That means first option. Then you can put these values, B option. That means BBAA. Firstly you have to put here B, then A, and then A. Then according to the option number C, you have to put here ABAC. Here you have to put A, here you have to put B, here you have to put C, and here you have to put C. That means ABAC. Let's see the D option. Then again you have to put the option number D here. That means A, B, B, A. Student, when you put the option number C, then you can see this answer. And sequence will be ABC, then AABC, then AABBC, then AABBCC. And you can observe when you put this option, and this option, then you can see there is no sequence. But when you put option number C, then you can find this sequence. So which option is right? Only C option is right in this question. Let's see the next question. In this question, the question is AB, then 2 fill-ups are there, then BA, then again 2 fill-ups are there, then AB, then 1 fill-up is there. Students, according to the previous question, you have to fill these options and put these value instead of fill-ups. That means in option number A, 5 A's are there, so you have to put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. And when you put these A's, then you can observe, if you can see the series, like I will show you the answer of this question. you can see when you put these values, when you put the option number AA, BB, BAA, that means option number B. When you put the option number B in the following series, then you can see this series will be given. That means if we can see the sequencing order of this here, ABA, then ABA, then ABA, then ABA, and then ABA. But when we put option number A, option number C, and option number D, we can't find any sequencing order. So which option will be right? B option will be right of this question. Let's see the next question. The next question is M fill up N, M fill up N, M fill up N, M fill up N. Let's see the part of this question. अगर हम यहाँ पे part करते हैं, if we will break this value like this, 3 values को break करते रहें, then again 3, then again 3, then again 3, and now we will put the options. If we apply the option number C, then it will be MAN, then again A, that means MAN, then again M, that means MAN, that means again N, M and N, that means it will be MAN, and then again N, that means it will be MAN. In each and every part you can see man, 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 and man will come. That means it will be a sequencing order. But when we put A option, B option, and D option, we can't see any sequencing order. So which option will be right in this question? C option will be right in this question.